U.S. President Barack Obama has urged young people to reject pessimism and cynicism and know that progress is possible and problems can be solved. Speaking in London, he said, "Take a longer, more optimistic view of history." Earlier, the U.S. president visited the Globe Theatre and watched actors perform scenes from Hamlet. It came a day after he said Britain would be at the back of the queue for U.S. trade deals if it left the EU. His comments angered Leave campaigners. UK leader Nigel Farage accused him of doing Downing Street's bidding and talking down Britain, and Tory Liam Fox said his views were irrelevant. Taking questions from young people at the town hall event, Mr. Obama said, "If any of you begin to work on an issue that you care deeply about, don't be disappointed if a year out things haven't been completely solved. Don't give up and succumb to cynicism if after 5 years poverty has not been eradicated and we haven't resolved all of the steps we need to take to reverse climate change. Progress is not inevitable but must be fought for over the long term." Mr. Obama said it was inspiring meeting young people, which gives him new ideas. Asked about security and attitudes to Muslims, he said keeping people safe and preventing terrorist attacks in diverse societies like the US and UK was one of our biggest challenges. The US president said there was a tiny subset of groups that have perverted Islam, and our greatest allies in tackling extremism in the US were those Muslim Americans who are historically fully integrated in our society. He said Islamophobia was not only wrong but as a practical matter. Self-defeating behavior. Being careful with language used in relation to Muslims and respecting people's faiths were security matters, not just feel-good, liberal political correctness, he said. Mr. Obama also praised Prime Minister David Cameron for being ahead of the curve on LGBT rights issues. Compromise. Referring to his legacy as president, Mr. Obama said, "I'll look at a scorecard at the end. I think that I have been true to myself." He referred to changes he had made to the U.S. healthcare system. "That's something I'm proud of," he said. And saving the world economy from a Great Depression, that was pretty good. Asked about dealing with political opponents, Mr. Obama said, "Seek out people who don't agree with you. That will teach you to compromise. Compromise does not mean surrendering what you believe." Mr. Obama's comments came on the second full day of his 3-day visit to the UK. The US president is also meeting Labour leader Jeremy Corbyn during the day. Mr. Obama's intervention on the EU issue comes just weeks ahead of the 23rd of June in-out referendum. Speaking at a joint news conference with Prime Minister David Cameron on Friday, Mr. Obama said the US wants Britain's influence to grow, including within Europe. The UK is at its best when it's helping to lead a strong European Union. It leverages UK power to be part of the EU. "I don't think the EU moderates British influence in the world, it magnifies it."